In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a short video on Prezi. Go to Prezi.com. Click on Prezi Video on the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Quick Record and allow Prezi to access your microphone and camera. You can choose to record with video or without video. On the right-hand side menu, click on the box with a plus sign to add text, images, or stickers to your first slide. To add new slides, continue clicking on the box with a plus sign. You can add images, text, and stickers on every slide. When your slides are ready, click on Practice and Record at the bottom of the screen. Use the bar menu at the bottom of the screen to choose the video mode. You can have the text displayed on a solid background or over a video of yourself presenting. Start recording when you are ready. When you finish, click on Done Recording and your video will be processed. Select Trim if you would like to remove the parts of the video, and then press Done and save the video when you're ready. You can share the video on social media platforms and choose the video settings as either public and reusable. You can copy link and share it with your students. Lastly, you can also preview the video on Prezi. You can also share the link with the students.